It is a great benefit for people. It is work and earnings for people and for the community as well. We're helping the community, we're sewing for people as per their orders. The question about the sewing workshop arose a long time ago, as there are many women in the community who have the respective education, and finding jobs for women has been a problem. The idea was born 3 years ago. In reality, to implement it on our own was too difficult for us, and this has been thanks to the Dobre program that our dream has come true. The Dobre program purchased equipment worth $12,000. The community maintained the premises, and all organizational issues were solved by the community as well. As a result, we have got new jobs, 10 jobs. For the community like Tupychivska, this is a great success, especially during martial law. The community was occupied and currently it has been recovering, and we are very pleased to help such communities. The Dobre program has been working with Tupychivska community for 2 years, and we have just signed a new memorandum and extended cooperation for another 3 years. We will continue to help the community and in particular the United States Agency for International Development, USAID, whose representative the Dobre program is.